This is for you palm lovers out there that are into palm trees like I am. So for you people that know a bit about palm trees, cold hardy palm trees, there's quite a few different species of them. What's surrounding me here are my locally grown Trachycarpus fortunei palms. On this side and this side, these are liner size ones I've grown from local seed. These are 1 gallon ones that are liner size, overgrown and potted up. There's about 8 species in the genus of Trachycarpus palms. The most common on our southwest coast here and Salt Spring Island where I live is the Trachycarpus fortunei. So it is a arborescent, a trunking palm that'll grow 40 feet of trunk in time. Tallest ones on our coast have about 30 feet of trunk. Lots of them in the Pacific Northwest. They're no challenge to grow in this climate here. So some of the other species in the Trachycarpus genus are Trachycarpus nanus, which is a dwarf variety. There's Trachycarpus wagnerianus. It has a smaller, stiffer leaf and it'll grow 30 feet tall. Trachycarpus tequil, which is found at elevations of about 8,200 foot in the Himalayan mountains on cold northeast facing slopes, and it grows a bare trunk. I have those growing in the garden, smaller specimens. There's Trachycarpus latisectus I have in my upper garden. There's Trachycarpus martianus, Trachycarpus nanotile, Trachycarpus princeps, and there's also Trachycarpus manipur. I may have left out a couple. This one here is manipur. I have 2 of these. Actually, I have 3 of them. I have one in the garden, my upper garden. These I imported from California about two years ago or so. It's just seedlings, and I've had them in the greenhouse until now. It's April 17th, by the way. This particular species is native to the Himalayan region that borders Burma, and they grow in their native habitat at about 4,000 to 6,000 foot in elevation, so it's very cold there in the winter months. This one will grow 50 feet tall with a bare trunk. So these are Trachycarpus manipur, and time to take them out of the greenhouse. And I think this weekend I am going to plant these. I'm going to find a suitable position in my garden here, location, and I'm going to plant these palms. They have beautiful fan-shaped leaves on them, and right now they're kind of looking like wagnerianus, but they aren't. But these are manipur, pure manipur. So for you palm lovers out there, I know you'll like these ones. Not so common, and they're going to be finding a home in my upper garden. They should prove as hardy as regular Trachycarpus fortunei, but with a much nicer look, and as they grow a bare trunk. Trachycarpus fortunei, the regular windmill palm, these ones have a shaggy trunk on them, very fibrous, as you've seen in some of my videos. So give you a closer look at these. Right there, there's Trachycarpus manipur. Aren't those beauties? I just trimmed off some of the brown leaf tips on them. They didn't like it in the greenhouse. So time to take them out. Pump a bit of fertilizer into them. I'll give them some Osmocote, maybe some fish fertilizer, and then I'm going to dig the $5 hole for the $1 plant, and hopefully these things will flourish in the garden. I'll maybe pile some pine needles around them for the winter time. Just I know they're cold hardy, but I don't know exactly how cold hardy. I'm guessing below -10 degrees Celsius, and we won't have to worry about winter kill here at this location anyway. So grab the camera and I'll give you a closer look at the manipur. Trachycarpus manipur, right there. 2 of them in 1 gallon pots. Ready to be planted. They are fully root bound right now. I'll loosen up those roots and I'll give them a good home in my garden here on Salt Spring Island.